I want to start this video by explaining why I recommend practicing on a mannequin head. Even though my arch stencil simplifies the process, shaping eyebrows is still a skill, and like any skill in this industry, it takes practice to build consistency and confidence. If eyebrow shaping were truly easy, then traditional stencils would have been the answer years ago. But as many of you know, there's more to it than just placing a tool on the skin. That's why I emphasize repetition and control even during the practice phase. Now, practicing on a mannequin can be a bit tricky at first. You'll likely find yourself trying to hold it down while drawing, which isn't ideal. The good news is that it's much easier on a live model. So if you have friends or family willing to help, definitely take advantage of that. For today's practice, let's start by securing the mannequin to the stand it comes with. Sometimes the connection isn't tight, so I like to use a small piece of cohesive bandage to keep it stable. Once it's in place, I also wedge a squeeze ball under the top to keep it from tipping over. I also want to mention that I teach eyebrow shaping with the client laying down. For most new artists, this position makes it easier to stabilize your hands and arms while drawing. When you're just starting out, working on someone who is sitting up can feel a bit awkward, especially if your hands are shaky or you're nervous. Floating your arms in midair while trying to draw clean lines isn't easy, so starting in a more supported position helps build control and confidence. And that is all you need to do in order to get started. See you in the next lesson.